You're going to want to hit quick entry. Within quick entry, this is where we're able to backlog some of the hours that we've done. So if you go down below and you see this little clock, or the calendar really, if you click that, the first meeting that we had was February 18th. So you're going to want to click February 18th. Once you click February 18th, you're going to add a missing report, or record, excuse me. We had our meeting from 2:50, so the start time was 2:50 p.m. And then our end time was 3:30 p.m. And then you're going to hit save. And then there it is. So you already have that. So you would want to keep entering in our next. So it shows you up top that we had 40 minutes. Then you would want to go back to the calendar, change the date. Our next time was Thursday, the 27th of February. You're going to do the same exact thing, add a missing record. This one was a longer meeting because we had Margot, so it started at 2:50 p.m. and then it went to 4 o'clock p.m. And then you save it. And then you have that time, and then you're going to backlog for the first week, but this is pretty simple once you get a hang of it. So this is what you will do every week in order for you to receive your payment on your check. Pretty simple, right, Kate?
Sounds great, yes.
Thanks.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Vicki.
Vanna.